If you are young, ambitious, and tired of being broke, this video is for you. Here is the harsh truth that nobody wants to tell you. Society wants you to accept a mediocre life, average salary, maybe one vacation per year if you are lucky. If you want more than that, they shame you. They call you greedy. But who is really greedy? The system keeping you at the bottom while the wealthy live free. I am going to show you the 5 stages of building real wealth. Most people never escape stage 1. Let me show you exactly why. Stage 1 is called broke. This is where the majority of people spend their entire lives. They drift from job to job, side hustle to side hustle, hoping that someday they will get lucky. There is a famous quote, "If you do not build your dream, someone else will hire you to build theirs." That is exactly what happens when you are broke and drifting through life. Nobody wakes up in the morning thinking, how can I make you rich today? The only person who will prioritize your success is you. So be brutally honest with yourself right now. Are you drifting? I meet countless young people who say they want to be wealthy, but their actions do not match their ambitions. They repeat the lie that money does not buy happiness. But that is just something rich people tell poor people to keep them content. Money is freedom, huh? Freedom is happiness. There is absolutely nothing wrong with wanting that. Here is the reality you need to accept. A drifting person will never build serious wealth. They might get handouts from family, maybe win the lottery, but they will never get rich through their own efforts. So how do you escape stage 1? You make one single decision, just one. You decide to stop being a victim of circumstance and become obsessed with building wealth. Stage 2 is called learning. This is where you choose obsession over comfort. One decision can completely change your life trajectory. The results might not appear for months, but that choice, that is what redirects your entire future. Now, if the word obsession made you uncomfortable, you need to fundamentally change how you think about money. There is nothing shameful about wanting to be rich. Money allows you to live life on your own terms. It means nobody else controls your time or decisions, but you can only achieve that through complete obsession. Many young people think they want to get rich more than anything else, but it is just talk. They say they want wealth, but they also want to learn guitar, run a marathon, speak 3 languages, travel to 20 countries. Imagine your friend said he wants to become a professional athlete, but also pursue 12 other major goals simultaneously. You would laugh at him. Becoming an elite athlete is incredibly difficult without any other distractions. Getting rich is something only a tiny percentage of people ever achieve. Why do you think you can accomplish it while chasing a dozen other dreams? I can tell you from direct experience. If I had not focused exclusively on building wealth in my early 20s, I would not be where I am today. But obsession alone is not enough to get rich. You need to figure out exactly how you are going to make money. That brings us to stage 3. Stage 3 is called earning. You get paid based on the value you provide to others. You are not rich yet because you lack sufficient value. So how do you become more valuable? This is where most people get stuck. They think they need some revolutionary business idea, or they need to discover the next cryptocurrency before it explodes to 10,000% gains. But you do not need to be an innovator. All you need is to find something that works right now and ask yourself, how can I do the same thing? The fastest way to learn how to make money is to find someone more experienced and study their exact path to success. Good options include video editing, dropshipping, sales, creating short-form content, running an online store, freelance writing, social media management. When I was 20 years old and wanted to open my first business, I did not just randomly start. I got a part-time job working for someone who already succeeded in that industry. It was decent work. But the real value was learning a proven path to running a successful operation. I absorbed everything like a sponge, asked endless questions, talked to customers constantly, wrote down everything useful I discovered, but more importantly, I carefully noted what was holding them back from even greater success. I would spend entire Sundays talking to clients and customers to find out what was missing from the current service. You probably do not want to start that exact same business, but this principle works when you want to learn any high-income skill. Find someone who has already achieved what you want. Learn exactly how they became successful. This is basically a cheat code for life. You get the complete blueprint to avoid their mistakes and move even faster toward your goals. It does not have to be someone famous. Actually, it is better if they are not famous. That way you know the money they make comes from genuine skill, not from personal brand or celebrity status. Look in online communities, Instagram, local business meetups, networking events. But how do you convince someone to reveal their proven path? I will be completely honest with you. This is probably the hardest part of the entire process. That is why I built Wealth Blueprint to solve this exact problem. I found successful people earning over $100,000 per year and convinced them to reveal their secrets so you can copy their methods. Every course is multiple hours long and compresses years of expensive experience into simple step-by-step lessons. But even if you are not ready to join, just pick your path. Then, focus entirely on closing the skill gap between you and the person you are copying. Stage 4 is called growing. Now it is time to follow your chosen path and start making real money. You need massive amounts of practice, so just start immediately. Even if you do not fully understand what you are doing yet, if you are offering a service, do work for free initially to gain experience and build your portfolio. If you are selling a product, launch your store today. The results will not be amazing at first, and that is completely normal. To become a true professional at something, you have to be willing to be terrible at it first. If you want to dramatically speed up the process, you need brutal constructive criticism. Many teenagers message me saying they want to be content creators. They swear they make amazing videos. But the algorithm just does not promote their content. They think if I mention their channel, they will suddenly blow up overnight. But when I actually watch their videos, I see they are nowhere near ready for success. Why do they think otherwise? Because they only ask family and friends for feedback. Those are literally the worst people to get honest feedback from. First, they do not want to hurt your feelings or damage the relationship. Second, they probably have zero experience in your field to give you genuinely useful advice. As a result, most people never change their flawed approach. They keep marching down the wrong path, wondering why success never arrives. There is an old saying, if you do what you have always done, you will get what you have always gotten. So learning a high-income skill is not just about putting in thousands of hours of practice. It is also about getting quality advice that helps you identify exactly what is holding you back from the next level. This is why you desperately need constructive criticism from experienced people outside your immediate circle. The process of receiving harsh feedback and realizing you are not as good as you thought is absolutely brutal. Most wealthy people remember this period as the loneliest and most difficult time of their entire lives. You start to feel completely disconnected from childhood friends. Because let us be honest, most of them do not share the same burning ambitions as you do. But you are not successful enough yet to spend time with the people you truly look up to and want to emulate. It is an extremely weird period, often incredibly lonely and isolating, but this loneliness is exactly where most people give up completely and return to comfortable mediocrity. And honestly, I do not blame them one bit. It takes insane dedication and mental strength to push through when you feel totally alone. So if you have outgrown your old social circle but have not gotten rich yet, where do you find genuine support? On my personal path to building wealth, my absolute best friends were people who were simultaneously chasing success and leveling up at exactly the same time as me. Honestly, the motivation and practical knowledge you gain from people in the trenches fighting alongside you and people just one step ahead of you is infinitely more valuable than anything you will ever learn from random videos on the internet. That is why I built a thriving community and a wealth blueprint. I genuinely love seeing members share their wins with each other, help solve problems together, meet up in real life, and compete in friendly challenges for monthly prizes. But even if you are not ready to join Wealth Blueprint, there are countless other communities out there. I strongly recommend joining at least one so you do not have to struggle through this journey completely alone. Stage 5 is called Rich. The truth is, your single most valuable investment is not stocks, cryptocurrency, or real estate. It is you. You are the ultimate asset. You are what you will own and control for your entire life. The skills you develop will grow in value along with your bank account. This is the moment when all your hard work and sacrifice finally starts paying massive dividends. If you manage to follow a proven path and truly master the necessary skills, getting rich becomes inevitable. Not possible, not likely. Inevitable. You can buy whatever you want without checking price tags, work from literally anywhere in the world with internet connection, never answer to a boss or manager ever again. I vividly remember reaching this exact point in my journey, and believe me, there is absolutely no better feeling in the entire world. But here is the critical thing most people miss. Being rich and being truly wealthy are two completely different things. When you finally start making substantial money, you face two very different options. You can spend it all immediately on unnecessary things. Fancy car that depreciates, designer clothes that go out of style, luxury vacations that create memories but nothing else. Or you can strategically reinvest a significant percentage of that money while you are still young and build real generational wealth that lasts forever. The choice is entirely up to you. At this stage, you have achieved basic financial freedom and have enough money to live comfortably. But if you want to truly impress people who have actually built wealth, here is my honest advice. Successful people are not impressed at all by young people spending all their money on expensive things. We are just disappointed, because we know from experience you could achieve so much more by intelligently reinvesting a portion of it back into yourself and your future. So how exactly can you reinvest wisely? When I was young and first became successful, I was not satisfied with only one income stream. I deliberately created multiple sources of revenue. These can include passive investments in index funds, cryptocurrency holdings, individual stocks, and companies you research. Or even better, developing additional high-value skills that generate even more income on top of what you already earn. Very few people successfully make this critical breakthrough to true wealth. They foolishly blow all their money on stupid material possessions that provide temporary happiness. They would rather spend thousands of dollars on the latest smartphone than invest $200 in their own education and future earning potential. And that is exactly why they never achieve genuine financial freedom and lasting wealth. Think deeply about this concept. Everything you waste on unnecessary junk today, you are directly stealing from your future self. Wealthy people strategically invest in developing their skills, building businesses, and acquiring assets that appreciate. Poor people spend money trying to impress other poor people with things that lose value. Even after you achieve freedom and success, continue learning constantly. Read books every single week. Watch educational content, join mastermind communities, attend seminars and workshops. That is what generates the absolute highest return on investment over your lifetime. So there you have it. The 5 stages of building real wealth from nothing. Most people never make it past stage 1. They stay broke forever, drifting through life. A small percentage make it to stage 2 and 3. They learn and start earning. But they burn out and quit because they try to do everything completely alone. Very few people ever reach stage 4 and 5, where they systematically grow their wealth and achieve true financial freedom. The question is, which stage are you at right now? Be honest with yourself. If you want to skip years of painful trial and error and get the exact blueprint to go from broke to genuinely wealthy, check out Wealth Blueprint. Link in the description below. Subscribe if you are serious about building real wealth. I will see you in the next one.